Fatherhood. Fatherhood is very important as a young man. The absence of a father can cause bad actions of a son. Fatherhood. Fatherhood is very important as a young woman, because the love she don't find at home from her father will be the love she searched for from a man in the streets. Fatherhood. A father is to teach his son how to become a better man than he is. Teach him about respect, loyalty, discipline. Moms ain't supposed to be out there shooting hoops or throwing a football across the field. That's a man's job. That's a father's job. Fatherhood. A father is to teach his daughter about real love. Sure that all men ain't the same. Moms can't give her daughter the love of a man. That's a man's job. That's a father's job. Fatherhood. A son's first hero, a daughter's first love. Fatherhood.